encrypted transmission routed through SERA, signal for extraterrestrial replication alerts. Threat classification, unidentified. You're not supposed to read this. But if you are, listen carefully. You think you know Elon Musk. You've seen his face, heard his voice, laughed at his jokes online. He builds rockets. He tweets like a human. But have you ever heard him say something that didn't sound rehearsed? He doesn't sweat. Across archival footage from 2012 to 2024, his blinking patterns deviate from human norms. The pauses between his words are identical. And in certain frames, his pupils reflect light differently than human eyes should. At one Berlin event he said, "I'm not pushing technology forward, I'm just returning it." Nobody noticed. Everyone laughed. If you hear static in his broadcasts, slow it down. The signal at 14.3 kilohertz targets the visual cortex. It's not just background noise, it's retraining. Each time you watch him, you shift. Slightly. Permanently. We analyzed the lexical structure of his public speech. 96% of his phrasing repeats in identical patterns, no matter the topic. "I'm human." 3 times. In different interviews, but every time, with the same intonation. As if it were a command, not a confession. But he's not the worst part. The worst part is, people are starting to talk like him. Cautious, smooth, smiling without context, as if they're replaying his algorithm, as if he's already inside. If tomorrow you hear his voice on the radio, and he says your name, do not respond. Do not look at the screen, because Elon Musk is not human, and he's looking for those who still aren't sure.